Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Apple ID, up-to-date iPhone, and your bank routing and account numbers. Once ready, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for security and verify your bank supports Apple Pay. Next, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a card or bank account. You'll choose to add a debit or bank account. Follow on-screen prompts to enter numbers or use the camera. This starts the verification process that links your bank to Apple Pay. Once you've entered your bank data, choose a verification method. Many banks offer instant verification via your online banking credentials, which is fastest. If instant verification isn't available, opt for micro-deposits. The bank sends 2 small amounts to your account in 1-2 business days. Make sure the account name matches your Apple ID billing name to avoid mismatches. Record the exact amounts you receive, because you'll enter them back in Wallet to confirm ownership, and complete the link between Apple. To finish, enter the micro-deposit amounts in Wallet or confirm the instant verification prompt. Once accepted, your bank is linked and ready for payments. Make Apple Pay your default if you want quicker checkouts, and test with a small purchase or a peer-to-peer transfer to ensure funds route correctly. If something goes wrong, first confirm two-factor authentication and bank support, then try removing and re-adding the bank, or contact your bank's support for verification holds or account name mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.